Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, we'll master multiplying polynomials step by step with simple tricks. And before doing that, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's start the episode. Our first topic is distributive property. This shows that a into b plus c equals to ab plus ac. We'll use this rule again and again while multiplying polynomials. For example, the question is 2x into 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. The steps are 2x into 3x squared plus 2x into 4x plus 2x into 5. This gives us 6x cubed plus 8x squared plus 10x. Now we are moving to example number 2. X plus 3 into x plus 2. And now the steps are, we should multiply this x with this x and this 2, and now we got to add it with 3 multiplied with x and 2. Now I'll explain you. X into x plus x into 2 plus 3 into x plus 3 into 2. We multiplied this x with this and this x with 2 and 3 with x and 3 with 2. That's what we did here, and the final answer we get is x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, which is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. And this method is called FOIL, first, outer, inner and last. First, outer, inner and last. And now we're going to move into example 3. Binomial into trinomial, which is x plus 2 into x squared plus 3x plus 4. The steps are x into x squared plus 3x plus 4 plus 2 into x squared plus 3x plus 4, which gives us x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 2x squared plus 6x plus 2 fourths 8 equals to x cubed 3x squared plus 2x squared plus 5x equals to plus 5x squared plus 6 plus 4 is 10x plus, and finally 8. Now the summary is, you should use the distributive property which we have discussed at the start, and we should multiply each term with every other term, and we should combine like terms and keep terms in descending order of powers. And now I'm going to give you a practice question. And the question is, what is 2x plus 3 into x squared plus 4x plus 5? The options are, option A 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus 22x plus 15. Option B is 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus 17x plus 15. Option C is 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 17x plus 15. And option D is 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus 17x plus 10. Pause here and try it out. Comment your answer below. And that's how you multiply polynomials easily. In the next episode, we'll take it further and learn about factorization of polynomials. Don't miss it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.